Today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is How a Noisy Garbage Truck Turns into Criminal Charges.
Can you go ahead and turn around for me real quick? I'm just going to detain you and put you in handcuffs, okay?
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Turn around, please.
On August 12th, 2025, an officer responded to a call about a battery.
Hello, all right, who's involved? Who called? You called?
I called up this gentleman right
What's up, man?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Are you hurt?
No, not really.
Did you witness this?
No.
No? Anybody around? Just you and him? All right. So what's going on, man?
I live upstairs and I'm trying to work. I had a phone call coming and this noise just keeps going and going and going. So I just was on the balcony and I was like, excuse me, like can you make that noise stop? Because he wasn't in the vehicle, it wasn't moving or anything. Like, can you just make the noise stop? Like I have to get on this phone call. People live up here. And he just dismissed me. So I came down and I was like, can you please make this noise stop? And he's like, get the out of here. And I'm like, oh, I'll get the out of here. So I come around to the side. I didn't get in the vehicle, but it was slightly open, so I just stepped up and I shut it off one notch. And he pulled me by my arm down, and he like held on to me really tight and like pulled me. And so I pushed him to get off of me, and then he punched me in the face.
Okay. You have your ID or anything like you?
I can go get it upstairs.
All right.
Like that escalated
really quick.
extremely quick.
Can you go ahead and turn around for me real quick? I'm just going to detain you and put you in handcuffs, okay?
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Turn around, please.
Why? Is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke.
What is
This is the exact perfect example of a Karen, man. The guy is doing his job. And you're talking about the noise? What? He's doing his job. The longer you hold him up, he's gonna be there longer. You wanna come down and do this and do that and bitch and moan about... It's the garbage man. Like, hello, the garbage man comes every week. He's gonna make noise. It's the garbage man. Like, what the fuck? Like, come on, seriously? And then you're gonna go into his vehicle and turn it up. You can't do that. Oh yeah, you're cooked. And she thinks she's completely in the right too.
happening?
Like I said, I'm detaining you right now. You're not under arrest, but I'm just detaining you.
Okay. That's very interesting.
Okay.
My feet are burning on this ground. Can you?
Any statement can be and will be used against you in your court law. Do you understand your rights, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So
What I don't understand is why I'm in handcuffs right now.
because you're detained, I'm by myself, and you came from your house down here because of a noise from the garbage truck, and you pushed this gentleman. Okay. Hold on. That's what you just told me. So I'm by myself. Hold on. I'm by myself, so I'm detaining you, but because I'm by myself. Okay. We gotta cause a.
He's the one who punched me in the face. This doesn't make any sense.
All right. I asked you if you were hurt and did you need medics. I don't see any injuries on you, but from what you just told me, okay, you went and entered his car, his work vehicle.
I just
you
shut
turned
the
it
thing
off.
off.
Okay. Can you shut the car off from the outside, ma'am?
I was standing on the thing and I pulled. Now I can't do anything, but I just shut it off. I didn't get in the vehicle. I just stepped on the thing and he grabbed me and pulled me down.
Okay,
and
I'll be right back.
Him off of me.
I'll be right back.
While the officer went to talk to the driver, the other continued the conversation with the woman.
This guy pulled me down off of the truck.
Because you got in his truck.
I didn't get in it. All I did was shut the one thing off.
You're just not going to accept the consequences of your actions, huh?
Is he gonna have any consequences?
He's protecting his truck. It's his property.
I did his truck. I didn't get inside of it.
Okay, well, he's finding that out. I just don't see what did you think was going to happen.
All I know is what happened was I shut off the truck and I go back in my house and get on my
What gives you that right? What gives you that right? I'm just curious what you think gives you the right.
I'm not an entitled person.
It sounds like it. It sounds a little bit like it.
Wow.
For you to reach into someone's truck, that's asinine, in my opinion. It's a crime.
I didn't even get in the truck. I didn't vandalize it. I shut it off.
Trespassing, at least.
I live here.
You reached in his truck.
I didn't get in it.
You reached in it.
So?
Trespassing.
No.
Okay, we'll find out.
I grabbed her, pulled her down, so you can pull the in and cut it off.
Okay.
And she hit her stuff in the mouth, that's when you just punched me.
Okay.
Ready, lady?
At any point did you hit her? Okay. So let me ask you this. Did she put any hands on you or did she touch you at all?
She pushed me.
She pushed you? How did she push you? In the chest?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt at all?
No.
Okay.
After getting the driver's side
That's a brother right there. Like, he was thinking about it. He thinking about it. He thinking about right now. Should I just play it up just on GP, man? Should I play it up just on GP? Like just for principle. Yeah, let me go to the hospital. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got chest pains. She hit me right here. I feel it. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? Should I just play it up? Or, all right, I'm gonna let her rock, man. Nah, she ain't hurt me, man. Real player shit, man. Yeah, nah, she ain't hurt me. She ain't hurt me. You know? Yeah, I see the look. I could tell. I see the look. That's what that pause was. He was like, all right, yeah, nah, she ain't hurt me, man.
She pushed me.
She pushed you? How did she push you? In the chest?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt at all?
No.
Okay.
After getting the driver's side of the story, the officer decided to place the woman under arrest.
All right, so man, you're gonna be placed under arrest today for simple battery.
He hit me. Are you kidding me?
No, ma'am.
He punched me in the face, and I'm the one that's going to jail. I've got my 2 dogs upstairs. I have to pee. I have to call work. This is insane to me right now, and nothing's happened to him. He's a grown man who punched a woman in the face.
Like I told you earlier,
And you got no marks.
I still don't understand hold on a second. I don't understand why you think you have the right to go into someone else's property.
I didn't go into it. I just shut it off 1 notch to shut the noise
You're
off.
lucky. Look, I'll be honest with you. You're lucky you're not going to jail for stealing a vehicle, because technically.
Joking me?
No.
That is so extra.
Well, so listen, so I know it's a lot going on, but I need you to calm down.
My dog's upstairs
All right.
like that.
Okay,
No, I
so-
cannot calm down. He punched me in the face.
Hold on. First of all, listen. I'm telling you right now where we're at, but I'm saying if you need to make arrangements and stuff, we can help you with that. But I'm just telling you right now, if that was a police car and we had sirens on there, would you come down there and do the same thing you did to that car?
Not a police car. I'm not an idiot.
Okay. Well, I'm just letting you know, when you trespass inside the work vehicle.
I didn't go in it. My arm was in it at the most.
Okay.
I was still on this bottom rung.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you right now, based on
Are
what
you laughing with him? He punched me in the face.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
He punched me in the face, and
Oh boy, you got the right one. You know how the lady cops give it up. You got the right one. She said, "What? Excuse me." Oh yeah, she on her heels, boy. Yo, listen, you better off with the guys, man. As a lady suspect, you better off with the guys. She rushed over there. She said, "Huh? What? Oh, what? What you said?" She on her heels already. Oh, what? You said what to me? Ah, okay. She gonna get you together, boy.
he punched me in the face.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
He punched me in the face, and you're over there laughing with him. And
You don't know
nothing's
what I
gonna
was
happen?
doing. I'm sorry, where are your shoes?
Well, they're upstairs. I live here.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know that was a problem.
Yes, nobody does.
Okay.
You have a neighbor or somebody that can take care of the dogs?
I could put one in the crate, but this is just crazy. He punched me in the face.
You're missing everything before that.
You're missing the punch in the face. I've never been punched in the face in my life.
Wait. The very first crime that was committed was you entering his
I
truck.
didn't enter his truck. My arm went in the truck, and I shut the notch off. One thing, I was coming out of the truck. I never went in. To turn off a vehicle,
You
to
say
be
good?
put in handcuffs and arrested because I shut off someone's vehicle.
No, I don't need anything else from him.
There's a case on there.
I gave him a case to
Piece
give him
of
a...
shit.
You got
Watch your
truck
mouth.
information, the tag on the truck?
No, I didn't get that.
These have license plates on them?
Up front.
Up front? All right, let me just get that real quick. Yeah, what's up?
I gotta go finish times down,
Okay,
but when I do that, I'm gonna make a lot of noise. That's what aggravated.
that's too bad. You can do your job.
Thanks.
You're fine.
Let me get a victim's right pamphlet so I can go ahead and give it to him, have him sign it, and yeah,
Wait,
Man, yeah, do your job, man. You hardworking, man. Man, do your job. Don't worry about her, man. She full of shit, man. Yeah, man, she gotta deal with it. What the hell you expect, man? It's the garbage man.
He's the victim?
Yeah.
Are you guys serious? This is like a nightmare right now.
Listen.
He punched me in the face. I don't understand why you guys don't understand about that. I called the cops on him.
I know, but there is no logical reason for you to leave your residence and do what you did today. That's what happened, and that's why we're in this situation.
Logical, because I couldn't stand the noise and I had to get on a phone call at 2:30. Like, if you don't like repetitive noises either, then maybe you understand how I was up there just listening and listening and listening, going, oh my God, it's giving me anxiety.
So it got to the point where he has to pull you out of the car, and then you're alleging that he punches you, hit you, and then you push him.
When he pulled me off of the stairs, like he was holding on to me. He didn't like just like pull me. He was grabbing my arm and didn't let go. Pulled me down, and he had his hand still on me. And I go, get off of me, and I pushed him in the chest. And that's when he punched me in the face. And I wasn't even in the vehicle. I turned the key. That was it. It's like the smallest thing that
How can you
do.
turn the key without getting in the vehicle is what I'm asking.
Because there's 2 stairs on there, and I just reached my hand in. I didn't have to
That
get
means you went in the vehicle.
My hand did, yeah, absolutely. But I didn't get in the vehicle to vandalize it. I wasn't in there looking like I was going to drive it.
That's what trespassing is. It's not that you went in there to take something or commit another crime, but you weren't supposed to be in there. You had no permission to be in that vehicle. That's trespassing in a vehicle. You see what I'm saying?
I see what you're saying, but I just don't see it that way, and I think it's really, and you can shake your head and that's
Florida
fine.
state statute says it. I mean, you don't have to see it that way, but that's how it is. And you don't seem to understand it, but we're telling you how it is, and that's what it is.
I just think it's really dramatic.
Take it up with the governor. Then I don't know what to tell you. It's Florida state statute. You're not going to change it. Your opinion's not going to change it.
Detain me and
Absolutely,
arrest me
it's our
for
job.
him punching me in the face.
It's our job
I
to
didn't get
enforce
in
the law.
vehicle.
Literally our job.
I didn't get in the vehicle.
You just said you did.
I put my arm in the vehicle to shut the thing off. That's all.
To be quite honest with you, what you committed, it's a theft of a vehicle. You deprived him.
Theft?
Hold on a second.
No, I don't even want to hear you.
You deprived him of his truck.
I would hit her with everything I could. See, that's a fact. I would hit her. The black cop, he pretty he letting her off easy. I would hit her with everything I could just because it's not getting through to her head. Just because. Because you think you're the victim. No. And come on, man. The way that she's playing up this punch in the face or whatever the case may be, he is a man. Did you see him? And he's not a scrawny man either. He's a bigger guy. If he punched her in the face, come on now, her whole shit would be look crazy. You ain't got no marks. You're only red because you're working yourself up with the tears and whatever, you know. But you ain't got no mark. You no lump, no black and blue, nothing. No busted lip, nothing. But you playing up this. He punched you in the face so bad, like, yeah, you would be all messed up. Forget about the conference call that you said you gotta get on. It's over with. You gonna be. Come on, man. I would hit her with everything I could.
It's a grand theft. It might.
Being a real jerk.
No, I'm
Yes,
not.
you are.
I'm just holding you accountable
You're
to your
being
actions.
nice. No, you're
I'm
being a
holding you
jerk.
accountable to your
You're
actions.
saying I thefted a car.
Yes.
Do you hear yourself?
Technically, yeah.
Do you hear
But
yourself?
I know.
Wow.
I know. I've been doing
Please
this job
don't
a long
talk to
time.
me. Please
Oh,
don't
I'd
even
gladly
talk to
not
me.
talk.
Now,
No big deal to me.
listen.
Listen, I
this
respect
point-
the cops. I do,
No,
but
at
that's
this
ridiculous.
At this point, is there any possible way that we can at least put this to the side for a quick second, just to see maybe you can get somebody to watch the dogs? Like, I know that you're concerned about them, and I don't want to see them thirsty or hungry. Do you have somebody that you want? Maybe we can give a call or something like that too.
Yeah. Can you guys come upstairs with me?
After going upstairs, she'd be transported to the Palm Beach Gardens PD for processing.
Wow. She don't get it. That's her problem. She don't get it. She don't think she did anything wrong. It's the freaking garbage man. Okay? If you live in an apartment complex or whatever, even if you don't, if you just got a house, you know what days the garbage man is coming and around what time he comes. Come on, man. You talking you getting bent out of shape because of the garbage man? Okay. This shit don't make no sense. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.